Hello, grade 2. Back with the sounds and digraphs. And today we have the long oo. So as we learned the last time, we have o, o, and they both together make the o or oo. Last time we have learned the short form, short oo. المرة الماضية تعلمنا الصوت القصير oo. واليوم سنتعلم الصوت الطويل oo. So we have today oo, oo, moon. Now look, listen, and repeat. What can you see? What can you see? I can see roof, roof. I can see moon, moon. I can see broom, broom. I can see spoon, spoon. I can see boot, boot. I can see room, room. Time to read the words again. Ooh, ooh, roof. Ooh, ooh, moon. Ooh, ooh, broom. Ooh, ooh, spoon. Ooh, ooh, boot. Ooh, ooh, room. هيا يا أبطال سنراجع كلمات الصوت القصير أو هنا. Short O words. Are you ready? Good. Book, look, took, cook, hood, wood, good, stood. Now what did you notice? هل لاحظتم شيئا هنا؟ Very good. Look at the first group. في المجموعة الأولى تنتهي الكلمات بالحرف ك، والمجموعة الثانية تنتهي بالحرف د. Excellent. هنا نعرف أن الصوت سيكون قصير. أحسنتم. short U, short U. Again, let's read it again. Book, look, took, cook, hood, wood, good, stood. والآن سنراجع الصوت الطويل oo, long oo words. Are you ready? Let's go. Bloom, groom, broom, room, spoon, moon, baboon, balloon. Now what did you notice? ماذا لاحظتم هنا أيضا؟ Very good. المجموعة الأولى تنتهي ب والمجموعة الثانية تنتهي ب هنا نعرف أن الصوت سيكون طويل. long oo, long oo. Let's read again. Bloom, groom, broom, room, spoon, moon, baboon, balloon. Now we have another group of words. مجموعة أخرى من الكلمات. Pool, cool, tool, school. ماذا لاحظنا هنا؟ أحسنتم. الحرف أو. Let's read again. Pool, cool, tool, school.